Hello everyone, happy Sunday. This is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. Well, we did it. We hit 16,000 subscribers. I believe it was on Thursday or Friday of this past week. So I'm very excited, and as promised, I am here to draw two names because we hit 16,000 before last night, Saturday at midnight. So I am here just to thank you once again for all of your support and your comments. If you don't already know, I do work full-time. YouTube is my hobby, my passion. I love creating things and sharing them with you all, showing you ways you can take everyday items or easy to find items and turn them into something beautiful with a little bit of creativity and imagination to decorate your home or give as gifts. So thanks once again, and I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to use Random Comment Picker. It's just a website that I can put in the URL of the YouTube video, and it will filter out duplicate commenters and it'll randomly choose our two winners. So let's get at it. Okay, I'm gonna try really hard to hold this still with my left hand while I'm using my right hand. Here is the URL of the latest video, the Fall Decor DIY, where I also announced the 16,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to choose Get YouTube Comments, and let's see how many. It says unique commenters. We had 478. So I'm going to come down here and hit the start button. Let's see who our first winner is. Jessica Kuluraz. It says, thank you for your inspiration. I loved the pumpkin shadow boxes. So congratulations, Jessica. What I need you to do is comment on this video that you are the winner, and we will get together and I'll get your address from you. So that is winner number one. Let's pick one more winner. Here we go. What did I? Sorry. I must have clicked on an ad. Here we go. Winner number two is Nancy Barkman. Congrats, Nancy. She says, awesome DIYs. I love them all. Thank you for sharing your wonderful ideas and video. So Nancy, same thing for you. Comment on this video. I'm going to give a deadline because I've had this happen in the past where somebody's a winner and I never hear from them. So Nancy and Jessica, you have, it is Sunday tonight when I'm posting this. You have until, what would be fair? Tuesday, let's see, that would be Tuesday, August 27th by 10 p.m. to comment that you're the winner, and then I'll have to pick another winner if I don't hear from you. So congrats again, Nancy and Jessica, and thank you everyone for commenting and entering the video. I love doing these giveaways for you. I'm very excited by the YouTube channel, and if you guys have other ideas of things you'd like to see, I know I've done a lot of fall decor DIYs already. I don't want to get into Christmas stuff yet. I can keep doing fall. I also have the video. I showed you 3 ideas for teacher gifts, and 2 of those were things, well, especially one. The Post-it note holder was one that I had shown already completed at my spring craft show, and people wanted to see how to make it. So if you want to see some other things like that you could either make to sell at craft shows if you're a crafter, or just to make to give as gifts to teachers, coworkers, things like that, let me know. I always love making new things, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video.